Really now, WJON, you want to troll me? You really want to troll me like this, WJON? It's another SVR, but it's not issuing. Unless... Yeah, it's not yeah, even maxed out, it's not even... Oof. Oh, here we go. Thurston, Nebraska.
The National Weather Service in Omaha has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Cumming County in northeastern Nebraska, Thurston County in northeastern Nebraska, until 7:30 p.m. At 6:55 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 5 miles west of Walhill, or 25 miles southwest of Sioux City, moving east at 30 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Walhill, Winnebago, Macy, Rosalie, and Thurston. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:30 p.m. for the following county: Thurston, Nebraska,